my name is Anne if you're new here. For today's video, we're gonna have another foundation review. I have with me right here is the Dior Forever 24-hour Wear High Perfection Skin Caring Matte Foundations. As usual, I'm gonna give you a little bit information regarding these foundations. I'm gonna apply it on my face. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day and then I'm gonna give you some check-in. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna give you my thought on this foundation. So if you're in the market for a new foundations, if you want to see how this foundation perform, please keep watching. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can notify you whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, let's talk about the foundations. Here is the box that it came with. It's a pretty typical Dior Forever box. It's nothing fancy, nothing different about this one. This one retails for $52 and it has one fluid ounce. Here is the actual foundation look like. It looks really luxurious. It feels really nice. In the back you have the shades of the foundation and some information regarding this. It's come in a glass bottle. And when you open up, this foundation has a pump, so I really love that. About foundations, I just love pumping it out into my hands, and it's really good. This lid is really tightly closed, so you don't have to worry about it peeling off or coming off during your travels. So I really like that. What it is a medium to full coverage with a very matte finish, which lasts up to 24 hours. I'm not gonna wear my makeup for 24 hours. It just is one of my rules. When I wear makeup, I don't wear my foundations when I'm sleeping. I have to take my makeup off at the end of the day. So for that, I'm not gonna test this one for 24 hours, but I can try to wear it as long as possible so you have an idea how it performs throughout the day. This foundation also has the weightless, concentrated hydration agents, which help to prevent your makeup from drying out and improve your skin day after day. So it's more like a skincare and makeup all combined in one. On the Sephora website, it said it has the Pansy Extract Hydration Booster, help protect the skin from drying, leaving it smooth and looking smoother and more radiant. It also has the Rose Hip Extract. It's the star ingredient of Dior Forever. It helps protect skin from external aggressor and reduce the appearance of pores. So it's gonna help to reduce the appearance of your textures. It helps to refine your skin textures in your face. It also helps to tighten your pores. If you have any rough pores right here, it's gonna help you with that as well. I have oily skin, so this is gonna be a perfect for me. I bought two with this line. They come out with two. One is the Dior Forever Matte and the other one is Dior Forever Skin Glow. I will do another foundation review with this one after I review this matte foundations. So stay tuned for this. This one comes in 27 shades. This shade range is not great. It's less than Dior Backstage. This one has 40 shades. This one only has 27 shades. So I don't know why they don't keep doing the 40 shades and this one only has 27. This one also has the SPF of 35, which helps to protect from the sun damage, so it's a plus for me. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer and I'm gonna apply this foundation one side with a beauty blender and the other side with a brush. So let's see how this is gonna apply on my skin. Alright, you really are close and personal right now. But let's go ahead and apply this. Let's give it a shake. I'm gonna get the shades that I'm using right now is W40 or is that 4WO. As you can see, it's a little bit runny. Oh, you know what? I forgot my primer. Let me go ahead and apply my primer real quick. I'm using the Hourglass Velvet Mirror Primer. This is my go-to primer when I'm testing out a new foundations. It's done. I'm gonna use this side with a beauty blender and don't mind this. My skin been acting up lately, so I'm gonna start right here and start blending this out. It has a lightly scented, but it's not bad. Right off the bat, the first dip right here, it only gave me a medium coverage because it cannot cover whatever I have in here, but it looks really natural. It's blended out really easily. See, it's just one coat of foundations. This side has nothing. This side has one layer of foundations. It's really nice. What I like, it dry out really quickly. It's not sticky at all. You just like a natural, more natural makeup. You just want your foundation just to even out your skin tone. This layer is gonna be good. If I don't have anything, if you don't want to cover this one, then it looks really nice. I mean, it feels really lightweight. I feel nothing on my skin right now. It's not tacky or anything. It's really good. Let me try the other side with a brush. I'm gonna start right here first and blend it out. With a brush, usually I get more coverage than with a beauty blender. What I like this one is that it's blended out really quickly. It doesn't feel heavy or anything on my skin. See, it's blended out so quickly. As you can see, on this side you have more coverage. Then on this side, this one is look like skin, just like my second skin. I really like this about on this side. This one cover a little bit more, but that's what you usually get when you apply your foundation with a brush. You get more coverage, but it does not feel tacky or anything. I really like that. Let me try to see if I can build it up on this side. Yep, you can build it up really easily. What do you guys think? It's not tacky or anything. It feels really lightweight. I love the fact that it blends out really quickly. It feels like my second skin. It can cover, if I can continue to build it up, then I can put it, think I can cover this up. But I don't like to do that. I just like the makeup, like my skin can breathe from underneath. So if I don't have to, then I really don't want to cover up anything on my skin. It makes the makeup look more natural. This is the foundations on my skin right now. It feels really lightweight. My pores appear a little bit smaller. Granted that I did not have any pore filler or anything primer like that underneath, but my pore looks smaller. It feels like my second skin, not heavy or anything at all. Right now it's 5:30 a.m. I will finish my makeup off camera and then I will check back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, right now it's 6:30. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Okay guys, right now it's 10:08 in the morning. It looks pretty good. It's not shiny or anything at all yet. And my line is not exaggerating. My pores seem to look tighter. It's not smaller, it just looks tight. But I really like it so far. I will check back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, right now it's about 4 o'clock. I've been cooking for a while, so just do another check-in real quick with you. It still looks pretty good. Still matte right here. My line is not exaggerated or anything on my smile line. It's not cracking. It's not doing anything yet. So far, it's holding up really, really well. I don't feel anything at all on my skin. I really like it so far. I'm gonna finish cooking here and then I'm gonna start, you know, get ready for the gym. And then I will check back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, walking to the gym right now. I'll see you back in about an hour. Okay guys, I just finished the gym. There were so many people in the gym, so I could not do a video inside the gym. In the parking lot right now. But as you can see, even though it's shiny, but my foundation is still holding up really well. As you can see, my blush, my bronzer, and my highlight is still there. It's not rubbing off or anything. And when you touch it, it's not sticky. It's not coming off of your hand or anything. So it's pretty good so far. It's not breaking up. It still look pretty good. Granted that I just finished an hour of exercise, but as shiny right here, but everything else still look pretty good. I'm happy with it right now. I probably gonna do one more checkup with you in a few hours. I will see you then. Alright guys, right now is 11:43 p.m. So it's about 17 hours of running errands, cooking, gyms, and cleaning and all that stuff. I'm pretty much done with my day. I'm gonna go and shower right now, but before I do, I want to do one last check-in with you guys. As you can see, I'm not in my studio, so this is just a regular light inside my room. I'm shiny. I haven't touched up anything. I had dinner, I had gym. I haven't touched up anything, but as you can see, it still looks pretty nice. A little bit shiny right here, but it's not bad. Granted that it's 17 hours of cleaning, cooking, gym, eating, so I'm pretty happy with it. Usually if during the day I can just, you know, get a paper towel and then touch up the shine, but when I do a foundation review, I try not to touch my makeup. So right now my blush, my bronze, my highlights still look pretty good. Everything is still there. What I like about this one is that it's really lightweight. I don't feel anything on my face right now. When I touch it, it's not transfer to my hands, or when I use my phone like this, it's not transferring to the screen of my phone. So I really like that. You know, for some foundations, when you touch your phone, you talk on the phone, and after you're done talking, your phone is covered in foundation, so whatever you have on your face. But this one does not do that. It's really nice. I don't have any cracking on my fine line. It's not separating, and my pores, they just look tighter. You can still see the pores, but it looks tight. It does not like open up. It looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. Granted, the shine is, you know, pretty not bad for 17 hours of all that activities. I'm happy with it, but I will let you know if I still like it the next day when I review the Dior Forever clothes. So I will let you know then. But yep, that's it for my video today. I hope you like it. I hope it's helpful for you. Let me know in the comment down below what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Are you gonna try it out? Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a new video. That's it. I'm gonna call it a day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.